Hello friends, I am Anvesha and I welcome all of you to this channel Aspiring Banker Anvesha. If you are new to the channel, please subscribe to the channel and also click the bell icon to get notified for upcoming videos. I make videos on English for bank exams. And tomorrow, that is on Saturday, there will be 3 live sessions on Unacademy and absolutely for free. So the first session will be at 9:30 am, the second one will be at 11 am and the third one will be at 8 pm. So tomorrow I will discuss a complete question paper of English for your SPI clerk prelims examination, and I will discuss the first 15 questions at 9:30 am and the next 15 questions at 11 am. Okay, and at 8 pm I will discuss a reading comprehension for SBI clerk main. So all of you must be there and all of you must attend these 3 sessions. So if you use Unacademy for the first time, please use the coupon code Annie for unlocking these free sessions. Okay, so I will see all of you tomorrow at 9:30 am. Every Sunday, Unacademy conducts free scholarship test at 10 am. So in this test, if your score is good, you can win a scholarship. That is, you can win a free plus subscription for 1 year. Okay, and this combat is for bank exams, and this combat is also there for SSC exams. Okay, so if your rank is good, then you can win 1 year subscription, and then depending on your rank, you get discounts on plus subscription. That is, if your rank is between 4 and 10, you get 75% discount on plus subscription. For 11 and 50, you get 50% discount, and if your rank is between 51 and 500, you get 25% discount on plus subscription. Okay, this combat test, this is available in both Hindi and English. So tomorrow at 10 a on Sunday at 10 am you have this test. The link is in the description box, so please go to the link and register yourself. So today we are going to solve some questions on new pattern fillers. Let's look at the question. The first one. Pirarivalan has been in prison for almost 30 years for his role in the dash of Rajiv Gandhi during the 1991 election campaign. So here for this blank you have 3 options. Okay, before I tell you the answer, I want you to guess the answer at first. Okay, and give yourself a score. So please pause the video and write down your answer in a notebook. Okay, so Pirarivalan has been in prison for almost 30 years for his role in the, so after the, a noun should come. So here if you look at the options, all the options are nouns. Conviction is a noun, assassination is a noun, murder can act both as a verb and as a noun. Okay, so in the dash of Rajiv Gandhi during the 1991 election campaign, so he went to prison, which means he did something wrong. Assassination means what? Assassination means murder. So this one will be your answer, assassination and murder, B and C. What is the meaning of conviction? Conviction means when someone is convicted, that is when someone is announced or when someone is declared guilty in the court of law. Okay, so option D is the correct answer, B and C. Next. Pirarivalan, now till here it is complete. At the heart of the injustice being inflicted on Pirarivalan is that government agencies have continued to insist on his incarceration despite being unsure of his role. Incarceration. Now the question is, which of the following words have a similar meaning to the highlighted word in 2? So what is the meaning of incarceration? Incarceration means to put someone in prison. To put in prison. To put in jail. So synonym is confinement. Yes, confinement means to restrict someone's movement, to imprison someone, and imprisonment. A and B is your correct answer. Involvement is not of the same meaning. Next, 3. It really is a classic case of state agencies being unable to identify and arrest those at the heart of the conspiracy while sacrificing the lives of those who might had a peripheral dash at worst. So state agencies were not able to identify and arrest the actual perpetrators, and they sacrifice the lives of those who have had a peripheral means just a background. Peripheral means a background. A peripheral dash. Peripheral is an adjective, so here you need a noun. Here you need a noun. Now, government is sacrificing the lives of those who had a peripheral dash at worst. So who had a peripheral role, a peripheral involvement, a peripheral work in peripheral job at worst in this conspiracy. But those who were at the heart of the conspiracy were let go. Okay, so option A is the correct answer. Only one. Proposition means proposal. A proposal. Okay. Metal means a person's ability to cope. So you can also say tenacity. Okay, so option A is the correct answer. Next is fourth. The charges of the Central Bureau of Investigation against Parari Velan for terrorist offences under the Terrorist and Disruptive Activities Act, or TADA, were dashed by the trial court along with the conspiracy to commit murder under the IPC. So the charges of CBI against Parari Velan for terrorist offences were dashed. So after where V3 should come, because the sentence is in passive voice. Were supported by the trial court, were upheld by the trial court, were upheld by the trial court. So this charges were upheld. Upheld means what? Upheld means maintained. Now uphold also means the same, but uphold is in V2 and upheld is in V3. So V3, upheld, should come. Were supported by the trial court, were upheld by the trial court. Both are correct. So A and C is your answer. Option C. Next. 5. In 5, you have to identify the grammatically incorrect part. His conviction only for the conspiracy to commit murder under the IPC has been sustained, and he has serving 30 years as part of his life imprisonment sentence. He has, after has, V3 should come. So he has been serving 30 years. Okay. So option C is erroneous. Next, 6th. But that procedural narration does not capture the dash injustice. So the plus noun. So this is a noun, injustice is a noun. Okay. After the, you should have noun, and injustice is a noun. So here you need an adjective for modifying this noun, injustice. So gross is an adjective. Profound is an adjective. Extreme is an adjective. So gross, profound, and extreme, both are adjectives. All three are adjectives. So profound means what? Profound means strong, extreme. So profound and extreme are correct. Now what about gross? What is the meaning of gross? Gross means something that is blatant. Okay, something that is very obvious, something that is unacceptable. So gross will also come here. So gross, profound, and extreme, all three are correct. So option E is your answer. Okay. So this is the closed test. Okay, I hope you have enjoyed watching this. You will find the PDF of this closed test in the Telegram channel. I'll see you again in my next video. Bye.